and welcome back to Small Fabulous Home channel. Hope you are all safe and healthy at home. In my previous video I have shown you an idea of homemade decorations inspired by my travel memories from Istanbul. I really miss traveling. This time I will show you some ideas for a bit more spring-summer vibes, a bit more romantic I would say. The decor is still homemade, still with things you could also find in your own home. I am all about affordable and creative. I picked two colors, pink and purple, as the focus colors. Just a small peek on how it will look in the end. The first decoration created is a purple color one. I initially wanted to use these two candles, but didn't think they were suitable. I will leave the link in the description box for all the items that can be bought online. I will use this glass tray that I have from Jysk. For the pop-up color, I have added this purple glass sand that looks so good. What I have added are these two candle holders and these Tealight candles, which you can find both at IKEA. I love these candle holders. They have a double use, either for stick candles or for Tealight candles. So just put the small candles in both holders and then put the candle holders into the glass tray. Just remember to make a bit of room for them in the sand, so they won't have to move when you pick the tray up. It's a simple mix of decorations but looks very good. Tealight candles are red garden berry scented. I'm a big fan of IKEA candles. They smell so good. First decoration done, moving on to the next one. In this next decoration, I have used a bit more items. For sure you have a teacup set in your home that you never used. Well, now it's time to take it out. I added some potpourri into the cup. You can use dried flowers depending on whichever you love more. What I have tried to do is add two colored potpourri. The rose ones are pink and the lavender ones are purple, just so I can use both colors from my color scheme. Feels like something's missing? You can always add something more to the mix. I will add some purple and pink sand. You can find this probably at any store. I got them at the supermarket. This looks so much better. Second decoration is ready. And finally, I have found a use for these cute cups. This next decoration is a mix of potpourri and a decorative plant pot. I used the lavender potpourri, so it will be the purple, and the pot being the pink color from my color scheme. This is something quite basic. Instead of a tray, you can always use a beautiful plant pot for your own decor. In the last homemade decoration, I will use the same colored sand, pink and purple, and add some succulent plants and a tray. Well, is it actually a tray? Not really. I am using an IKEA photo frame that I never got to use before. My succulent plants are artificial, but if you do have real mini plants, do use them. First thing, I added colored sand into the empty spaces in the frame. What I did here, I mixed the colors, so it's one purple, one pink, one purple, one pink. You'll see at the end why I did this. Don't forget to make some room for those small plants. Try to fit them in as much as possible in the sand. I really love how it turned out. Alternating the colors added something extra to the decor. The reveal of the full arrangement. Let me know what you think. Do you like it? Did I get to inspire you? I absolutely love how it looks. It feels so summerish, so cute, so romantic. Please leave a comment. Click the like button. It would really help me. I have a bonus for you. Here's an arrangement for a smaller space. I have used dry lavender. This is good for aromatherapy and could always be used in your meditation corner. A simple photo frame with the golden detailed frame, which I really liked. It's a bit different. A sphere candle, a pink one, and 2 artificial mini plants. Two glass candle holders. I bought them a long time ago and completely forgot about them, but as I am stuck at home, I was able to find them. I really like how they have this velvet bottom and the gold line is matching the photo frame. Add the 2 small potted plants in the glasses and voila! This looks quite good! Add the lavender on top of the frame and put the candle in the middle. Arrange the lavender around the candles for a better look. Final look. A smaller arrangement for a smaller place in your home. Let me know if you have other creative ideas for home decor. Love to hear from you in the comments below. Do subscribe for more. Videos are uploaded weekly. Check out my Instagram page, Small Fabulous Home. Next video, 10 things to do at home while on lockdown. Subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends for other ideas, and see you next time.